Okay, so we'll do a run underneath the car, eh? Turbos. It's the old exhaust. It exited through a 3-inch pipe. This was a 3-inch muffler. Before that it was at 3.5. Looks like 2 3-inches merging there. Then it went up through the downpipes. Didn't really have downpipes, just had a slot just in there. Lots of rust. And here we have a new exhaust, twin 3-inch. There's a couple of Kobe's there. We merge the 2 3-inches, goes back up to the turbos where we've done split length downpipes, so the wastegate's split for about 10, 12 inches, and we've just tidied up the exit a bit here so you can see it's a bit more rounded, and the wastegate's got plenty of space to expand in, and we've done the same on the other side. So if you have a look, you can see that there's quite a bit of difference between the two, and we're then going to bolt them on and stick it on the dyno. Did 455 kilowatts the rear wheels last time, so it'll be interesting to see. The only change we've made is this exhaust. Say it again. Don't pick your nose again.
500.
Graham, what about you?
How much you paying me?
Nothing.
Yeah.